Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. All right, so in this video today, here I am at the At Home Store. So as you can see here in the video, I am in their dishware area here looking at what they have. So I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music and I will see you in and out of the video. Now, I am absolutely loving their decor pieces here for the kitchen. I love their trays. I love their wood items. A lot of these things are on sale. They say it on one of the signs here. I am loving this store. I can get lost in here. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, always remember to head on over to the community tab where there you're going to find the calendar of collaborations for the month. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.